Hello, welcome, and I have been playing again. Yes, I've been playing again with my Cyclone up there, and I had a problem with it, which I've done in the previous video, and it kept basically sucking the life out of the container until there's pretty much nothing left. So what I've done is I think I fixed it. I hope so, anyway. But first I had to kind of reshape it, because if you can see, it looks like beat up a bit like an old golf ball. And it's a bit of a state, yeah? But what I've done is I've actually, got most of the bumps out of it by using some heat. Warming it up with the old fan heater as well inside. Left it inside, let it heat up, let it cut out, as it would. And then after that, out come the old drill and a scissor jack. And that kind of, and that pushed on the outside of it, so I couldn't talk there because the bottom was bashed my belly. And it spread the inside of the actual container itself, and I managed to get the shape somewhat there because I wasn't really crushed. And every time you had any kind of blockage whatsoever, it looked like an accordion, concertina up, and it's it's quite strange, really. It can keep going, and it's reducing its capacity, and also reducing the effectiveness of the suction as well. It's increasing the negative pressure, or reducing the negative pressure inside the actual vacuum, so hence the sucking's so great. So what I've done is this. So let me show you. I'm going to get my old inspection light ready, and we can have a look inside. What I've done is I've actually kind of reinforced it with these bits of wood in a sort of a cross formation. If you can see that in there. Yeah, you can see that, can't you? And I've got 4 side supports and a cross in the middle. It's a bit fiddly to do because obviously the neck is narrower than the width of the body. So it's a bit of a palaver. Originally I thought, I'll make a metal frame up and slide that inside, and then I got a bit impatient with that idea, and I thought I'd try this. Now these are bits of old pine I kicking about, offcuts from some shutters that I made for a customer, and then create a little cross in the middle with a couple of old scraps of oak, 2 screws and some little house joints, some little sort of half lappy type joints in there. And it seems to have done the job, but I don't know if it's going to work yet, so we try. Yeah, let's try. Let's just see if it does the job. So I'm going to pull it back now. I ain't even give this a go yet, so I'm probably going to make myself look like a right old fool, as I usually do. And considering this is never unedited video by Wally Bois. Right, let's turn the light out there. I'm going to plonk that back on the shelf. Like that. It certainly looks better. That goes on there like that. And that comes around there like that, and I've made a little bracket around it there to hold it on, so it don't slide off as me using the raised arm saw. But the whole point is that we don't want it to compress. No, I don't. So let's just quickly get that back up again. That's good. That's up there. The top one. I haven't shaped the top over it anyway. There you go. Alright. I'm a bit worried then, I thought I might miss shaping the top. I don't actually need this. I've got this clamp arrangement on the top, let me show you. That there, to seal it. But what happens is, because where the seal is in the actual lid, as soon as you turn it on, it just sucks the lid down anyway. And it makes its own seal. So you don't really need to use this. So I don't generally bother with it, so I'm going to leave it off. Because I don't normally bother with it. Anyway, let's turn it on and see what happens, shall we? Oh. It's a sucking. It's looking hopeful. I don't see why it shouldn't work. Sounding better at all. Right. The telltale sign is whether or not this sort of squeezes in when I put my hand on the end of the old vacuum end thingy, the tool end. That's it. Other tool, the tool end. You can see it squeeze in. I'm trying. You see that? But it's not completely compressing it down to nothing. Now the thing I don't understand is that Oneida makes one of these things, and also a complete combo unit for about $100, and it's like a big bin unit, and that sits on the top and what have you. It's a really good bit of kit, but it has a very simple sort of 20 litre or 5 gallon container on the bottom that you'd use for brewing your beer. I don't do that, do I? Distill any whiskies and stuff. Oh, yes, let's not get into that one. But yeah, it's I'd have thought that Oneida one would have compressed without any kind of reinforcement inside it. Maybe it has, I don't actually know. Maybe someone can tell me that if you already got one. But this particular one is a Chinese, hence the weird sticker on at the top here. I'll show you. Weird Chinese sticker. And it cost me about €12. Took me about a month to get it. But now, if you look on Amazon, there's loads of them on there. And it works really, really well. And I showed that in a previous video, and also my little one just of the stuff whizzing around with the light behind, as you can see what's actually happening. And it does really work. So you don't have to spend a fortune. So for £12 and a container, you've got yourself a Cyclone. And obviously you need a vacuum for it as well. And I've used a Makita, well, it's a Nilfisk actually. Oh, Nilfisk, a pneumatic. Pneumatic or Nilfisk? No, Nilfisk. Which is exactly the same as the Makita vacuum cleaner that you can get, shop vacuum you can get, which is a really good bit of kit. It's really solid and well built. Nice design. And not too much money compared to like the Festols. You know, we're all like a Festool, but we can't all afford it. The only Festool I've got is my Domino. But anyway, while you're here, if you'd be most kind and click like and subscribe, and maybe click the little bell icon, because then you get a warm fuzzy feeling in the pocket, and that'll be me uploading another video. I know you're a bit excited about that.